Do you like music? Do you like to work with music? Do you like to play music? Do you like anything to do with music? Well, I'm going to say the answer to that is of course you do. Actually, myself, I have never heard anybody ever in my life tell me that they didn't like music. Alrighty, well, today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get involved in the music industry and make yourself a tidy sum of money through having your own little business in mixing music in the music industry. Alrighty, if that sounds something like good to you, a good work from home job like that you can have and build on your own in your time for all 100% free and from anywhere in the world, then you want to stick around and watch this video because we're getting ready to get started on it. But before we do, we want to come over here to channel page here, and I want to invite you guys who are new to my videos or new to my channel to reach down anytime during the video, reach down below the video there, click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it as well, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel for you guys, okay? Also, anytime during the video, feel like it and you're getting some value out of this, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me and give me a thumbs up if you will. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks guys, I appreciate you. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm sort of excited to show this to you. The first thing we want to do is you want to get this started here, first, and this is all 100% free, I told you, is you want to come over here. It's to one of my favorite sites right here, guys. It's called Fiverr right here. You see it up here in the address bar. It's Fiverr.com. This site is a freelancing site where anybody can come here and for free and set up any type of a business, little business of their own, selling services and things like that to people and make really, really good money here on Fiverr. So what you want to do is that when you come here, if you're not a member already, you can click join right here and it's free to join. Just go ahead and sign up and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you get that done and get it validated and so on and so forth. Then you want to come back and then eventually you're going to click here on become a seller right here, because you're going to create a gig. And if you'll notice, I typed in their search engine right here, guys. I typed in remix music. You see it right here for remix music, and you want to basically you're going to click here to become a seller and walk through about 5 or 6 steps to set up your gig similar to what you're seeing right here. Now, one thing I want to point out to you here that is really, really good is this market right here that I'm showing you is pretty well wide open. There are only 72 people. Look where my mouse is right here, guys. There's only 72 people that are doing this service right here on Fiverr right now. So this is pretty wide open market to get into on Fiverr. So what you want to do is you want to look down through here and you can see that all these people are talking about I will remix your song into trap music and I will be a professional beat remix for you and so on and so forth. And here's their starting prices right here, and you can see it's anywhere from about $5, and some of these go up to like, well, here's 260, guys, that these people are making here, and everybody here is doing this is making money pretty much right here. Now you can start yours out. You definitely want to pick one of these or pick several of them and just model your gig. When you click become a seller and you set up your gig, you want to set it up sort of similar to someone else like here. Now this guy is starting out at 20, and I will produce original and remix music for you. So if you click on one to take a look at it, see what it looks like, you can see that they have a basic plan here. That's their starting package for $20. It's called the Silver. And then it tells a little bit about it and stuff here. And then they got a standard package for $80 and a premium for $100. So you could set yours up similar to that. I wouldn't price myself way above everybody else. I'd start out maybe like this one here, about $20, and go up from there on your packages and what you're willing to do for that amount of money. And then you want to kind of just look down at these other gigs, pick a few of them and just model your gig after one of these. You don't want to copy any of these word for word. You just want to model yours after theirs and how they're setting theirs up with your own personal information and stuff. And then you can see the packages right here. People can see and what it is that you'll do for the amount of money and how long it'll take, and then so on and so forth. But when you set up your gig, you definitely want to make sure that you get some relevant tags right here. Like you see, it says related tags right here, and you're allowed 5 of these per gig on Fiverr here. because the tags are what will rank your Fiverr gig up in the Google search engine, as well as help people find your gig right here on Fiverr. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll back up and just sort of set your gig up, like I said, modeled after some of these other ones here, and choose your prices. Now, let's say, for example, you got your gig set up and you get an order. You get an order from somebody and they want you to remix a song for them. Now, I can hear some of you now, well, now, Kevin, I don't know how to do any remixing of music or anything like that. I've never done that before. How is this going to help me? Well, hang on, because this next site here is the tool that you're going to use to be able to accomplish this nice little business that you're setting up here. All right, so this tool we're going to use is right here. We're going to come over to it. You can see it right here. It's called media.io. Right here in the address bar, it's media.io. You come over here to this site and you see it's a free online video, audio, and image tools. Now, they do have pricing here, but the free is plenty enough here for what you get on the free, and you can compare all the features for the free, basic, and pro. Here they have these free, the basic, and pro package that you can do here. The free one is enough to get you started, and then maybe later on, as you get your money rolling in, you can maybe sign up for the basic or the pro package here, and have a little bit more storage space and a little bit more. It's like unlimited files here versus 25, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is come over here, and then you can see that this is a site where people come and just people use this. There's a lot of people that like this. In fact, there's several millions of people that use this. They got all kinds of tools here that you can do with video and audio and all kinds of things, guys. You can see right here, they've got, well, there's 50 million plus people use this site in the world right now, guys. 375 million files processed, 13 plus years of experience. This site has been around for quite a while. It sure has, and people like it. And you can see it's got lots of neat stuff down here. Now, the tool that we're talking about, though, today to work in your Fiverr business that you're setting up here, remixing music, is this one right here. If we come over here and go to online tools, guys, just take a look at all of these amazing free tools that you can work with here on this site. Convert video, MP3 converter, it's everything is here. Video editor, audio to text video, auto subtitles, a watermark remover as well, that's real cool. Trim video and so on and so forth, and all the way up to background remover and video compressor. This site, guys, has got amazing free tools that you can use on this site. Of course, the one that we're going to pick on right here, guys, is this one right here. It says remix songs. See right there? So we'll click on that. And that brings us over here, and you can see automatically remix music to change the audio length with high quality, driven by state-of-the-art AI. It is easy and free to use, guys. How about that? And you just simply upload your files and get started. And they have, a little bit more down here about it. You can see there's a lot of other people that use this. Big businesses use this site right here, like Digital Trends, Lifehacker, Livewire, Oberlo. A lot of good, big, well-known online companies use this site and their tools. So why not you, right? So, all right, you can see here it says, want to create a remix song, media.io online music remixer and extender is the place to be. This simple-to-use website allows the creating of remixes and on iPhones, iPads, Androids, Macs, and Windows computers. It uses advanced artificial intelligence technology to auto-remix song formats like OG, GAU, FLOC, MP3, VOB, MP4, MTS, etc. In other words, it simply identifies music areas to split, rearrange, and apply a remixed effect and help you become an ultimate remix DJ. In addition, this tool allows you to extend the music playback duration, making it perfect for creating background music for video scenes or singing practice. And it talks about here how easy it is to do it. You can see the steps right here. It's 3 steps and it's done. And then what you'll do, and it talks a little bit more about it here and all the different things powered by AI and so on and so forth. But what you'll do when you get your gig, someone on your Fiverr gig, right? You get a gig, and what you'll do is you'll just come over here to this site. Now you can sign up for free, it doesn't cost anything, just click here. and then sign up for free. In fact, you just create an account right here. My guess is they probably will send you an email confirmation, and look right here, picking your country. I think they're all the countries in the world, guys. Look at that. It's covered everywhere in the world. So you should be able to do this. It don't matter where you live at. You should be able to use this site to work your little business on Fiverr in music remixing. Okay? Come back, get signed up, get signed in, and when you get your gig, you're going to come here, choose the remix song, and take care of their file for them, and then remix it however they want it to be done. They'll give you the specifics and what they want, and then once you do that, it probably won't take you very long to do this, and just a few minutes probably, and you want to give them like 2 or 3 revisions, sort of like you see this guy is here. He'll do revisions. I think it said here some of these will do revisions, unlimited revisions, like here it says unlimited revisions. So until you get it just like the customer wants it, and then you just bring it back after doing it here on media.io, bring it back, give it back to your customer, and you get paid. It's just that easy, and as you can see, you can make many high amounts of money with this as time goes on. So you want to promote your gig also, like you can do it on Facebook groups. You can offer your service to, if you have an email list already, you can email it to them and offer your service to them, and so on and so forth. Just all kinds of ways that you can think to even make your Fiverr gig in remixing music happen a whole lot quicker for you in this as you build it up. It'll take some time to get it rolling, but once it does, and you eventually, Fiverr will see you as a top-rated seller over time, and you can even charge more prices and get more people and get lots of reviews built up, like these people right here. They have several reviews right here. This guy's got like 15 reviews and so on, and how people liked the work that he did for them remixing their music. And you can do this very same thing and have yourself a nice little gig on Fiverr in a real easy job that you can do right here with a tool that'll do it for you and make some really good money. Guys, that is the video I had for you today. If you like this video, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me and give me a like. Also, if you have any comments about the video, just leave them down there below and I'll get back with you on it as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Hit that, click that little notification bell. And if you want to know how to do you're interested in affiliate marketing and how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, well, you ought to come down and click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and take a look at a free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, making thousands of dollars per day possibility. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to leave you all with that. Check that out, and I'll see you again here. Don't forget to watch the videos that are popping up over here, stuff on your screen there. I'll let you guys go with that, and I'll check you guys again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.